Hello, my DIY family. How have you been? Today, I'll be decorating the entrance of a school. Actually, my kids' school. It's such a honor and privilege to work on this project. We'll be using rainbow colors, which gives the brilliance, the excitement, and the joy we want the kids to have. And we're building a large arc. Here are our inflated balloons. You can see the colors popping. I love to work with these colors because it gave it the brilliance we really looked out for. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell in order to get our notifications when we upload new videos. Now it's time to arrange our balloons. I'll be taking them color by color. We just want to have a rainbow collection. Now we have this paired up, and then using our ribbon called around the cord. So I'm arranging them 4 colors. And then I move on to the next color and make them 4 again, arranging them like that until we got the needed length. Here's our garland already forming up. All hands were on deck to get this project done. We really want to surprise our kids. So I got all my family members to join me in this, and thankfully one of the teachers was also there with me, which was a great support. Now we are taking the balloon outside in order to start forming up our arch. We did not use any other support that is like a pole in order to hold the arch. We only used the ribbon to attach all the balloons, that's a cord, together, and then joined them on both sides. The only challenge we had with putting up this was there was a lot of breeze. Since it was in the evening, it really gave us a challenge because at first did not allow this to stay, but eventually we were able to join them together, and we put some nails on the wall, although it was a bit difficult because it's a stone wall, but we were able to get some stones, some nails into the wall in order to attach our 260 balloon, and then using it to curl around the balloon and attach it to the wall, which gave it the stability. This is what we have, guys. We decorated other parts of the school, that is the front and the sides as well, but the ark was the major decoration, and we put some clouds at the bottom of our rainbow. I hope you like it. This is so beautiful. We enjoyed setting this up, and I'll use this opportunity to say thank you to Professor Raquel and also the staff and management of the school. We are so glad to be a part of this. Thank you also, my wonderful family, my husband and my kids. I really appreciate you guys. If you have enjoyed this, please leave your comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this. If you are not yet a member of our family, please click on the subscribe button and on your notification bell in order to receive notifications when we post new videos. Thank you for watching.